Taking a day to just hang out on the golf course. We're already 5 holes in.
So
we've had time to warm up here.
Sharp dog leg right. Oh, you're talking.
Sharp dog leg right. Do you have any other advice?
Don't hit it in the road.
Don't hit it in the road.
Yeah, don't go over there.
The tee box is right here.
Yeah,
and he says don't go over there. I'll try. You never know. But hanging out on the golf course with traffic right here.
What?
Speaking of traffic,
It's me.
John Perry. We're enjoying the day.
It's beautiful.
We're enjoying the views.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Look at this. Look at
You just can't beat it.
this. That's gorgeous.
Doesn't get much better. The grass is green, and we like green grass.
That's right. That could be better.
It could be, but we'll take it.
We'll take it.
And we're having fun. We've got the first 5 holes in, so our practice round is over.
That's it.
They have the driving range and the practice greens closed, so when you show up to a course 30 minutes early to get your practice round in or your practice time in, and it's closed and you got to start playing cold, you don't film the first 5 holes. So we'll take you around the course today, show you what's going on, just kind of talk and hang out for a little bit. Should be fun. Well, that was sure a lot of fun playing golf with John today. Thanks very much, John, for inviting me to come out and play golf with you. Look forward to doing that again in the future. Maybe we can get some of the other guys to tag along with us. To wrap this video up, I thought I'd just kind of give you an update on where things are. We are 13 days, so almost 2 weeks post-seed in the backyard and in these other areas. And that's really 2 weeks post-sand too. And as you can see behind me, everything looks so good. I'm super happy with where things are. I'll give you some close-ups, of course. I want to start in the front yard with just the corner areas. The top corner is filling in very, very nicely. The bluegrass is actually taking over very well and creeping into those bare areas, while the new ryegrass is starting to shoot up. And I imagine in the next couple weeks or so, the new bluegrass will start shooting up as well. Similar case, but not exactly similar, near the street in the corner. The ryegrass is coming in. You can see a lot of the new ryegrass filling in these spots. And the bluegrass is starting to take over as well, but I just see the ryegrass a lot better here in this area than I do in the other corner. But overall, doing really, really well. Super happy with it. Overall look of the front lawn is just fantastic. It needs a cut. I'm gonna cut it tomorrow morning. But gosh, it looks so good. I'm really, really pleased. Really happy with where things are right now. As far as the backyard goes, I gave it a cut. I gave it its first cut the other day, and just kind of picked up as much of the mulch off the top layer of the grass as I could. Probably need to sharpen my blades. Might do that tomorrow. But overall, it's filling in. It's getting its color back, which I really, really am thankful for. There just still are some spots that got a lot of sand that are still recovering, still filling in. Starting to see ryegrass come up in those areas, which is cool. And then the bowl, that we affectionately call it, the bowl, is filling in very nicely. Ryegrass is really coming in strong. really coming in and thickening up every day. It looks different and it looks better. The area by the gate is doing very similar to the bowl area, just filling with ryegrass. It's such fun to watch that grow. And as soon as it comes up out of the ground and hits the sun, photosynthesis, man, it's a beautiful thing. So that's coming in very nicely. I'm very pleased with how that's doing. Can't wait until the bluegrass starts coming and just takes over and just fills it in. And it should look really nice as well as the rest of the backyard here. So like I said, very pleased with how things are going, and like I said, I love coming out here every day and just seeing how different it looks and how the new grass is doing, and it's just so fun. It's really fun to do this again. We haven't grown grass in this much of an area since we did the entire lawn, which was done with the exact same seed blend that we bought locally that we're doing here. So this is all the same seed. There might be a couple of different varieties. I did talk to them and they said that they do change their varieties every year or so, but that's okay. It's still from the same sources and the same areas, general areas, and it's from the same company. So there is going to be some uniformity here, which is nice, and in a month or two or so, or by fall, we should be in really good shape. Really looking forward to that, and can't wait to show you guys. These updates are really fun for me. I hope they're just as much fun for you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, we're done. I'm done with this hole.
Dinner bell. He takes too long. That's 7 practice swings. Give him a hole! Holy crap, look at that. I couldn't even screw him up. Beautiful.